Hi guys, I'm back again. So this video is about unveiling my food items. This is the first time we are shipping in food from Nigeria, and courtesy of my friend Joanne Olusegun. Thank you so much, babe. I love you so much. We go way back. Thank you so much. She was the one that helped me with the shopping and everything. So it took quite a number of days for it to get to me, and I said, okay, let me come and unbox it with you guys. Even though some of my items were contraband, I don't know how I forgot. I just forgot, like pomo and chicken store, chicken cubes and everything. Some of those things are not allowed to be shipped. I don't know how I forgot that those things were contraband. I had bought them already, and then they got removed from the parcel. So I said, okay, that I have to unravel this thing together with you guys today. Just see how heavy it is. Guys, get you friends like mine. I think I have the best people in my corner, to be honest with you. Even some things I didn't send her, this babe bought it in extra quantity for me. Thank you so much. So now I'm going to unpack this with you guys. So come along with me as we unpack them together.
From far away she looks so good. Grew up in the same neighborhood, and that's how to rub salt in the wound. Spend a few hours on the reservoir. Never broke a bone, so I'm gonna try hard to prove you wrong, that I'm not who I used to be. I'm not living at 17. Let's go. Feet away, she's like a primrose. You're never taking me alive, so come close. And I know why you said it, 'cause I'm reading every word in your voice. Now I'm not who I used to be. And maybe it's a good thing, got a good thing coming, it's a good thing that we're not who we used to be. Sometimes I'm alone, I wish that you lived closer. Maybe then I feel alright. Sometimes I get strung out trying to be myself. When you come close, I feel alive. Maybe that's a good thing. My mirror lies to me, says I ain't supposed to be the kind of woman that I am.
So this is smoked fish, even though some of them are broken, but I can still see few of them that are still whole. There's a lot of spices here and seasoning cubes, guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stacks of seasoning cubes. I'm wondering what this is. Let's see. We'll find out. We'll find out. Oops, feels like powder. Oh, ogbono. Yeah, this is ogbono. What's in here? Let's see. Feels like seasoning cube as well. Yeah, this is another type of seasoning cube. So this one, let's see what this is. Joanne really tried, Sha. This is a lot of work. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. I appreciate you a lot. What's this? Mm, wait. Mm, what's this? I don't know. I'll ask her. I don't know. See, it feels like kunu or something. Mommy. Hmm? Wow, what's this? It tastes like kunu. Hmm? Mm-hmm. You can have it. I don't know what that is. I'll ask her. But it smells familiar. It also tastes familiar. So now this is the bag for the gari and everything. This is a lot. Oh. Wow, this was well packed. Yeah, we'll find out. We'll see.
I can see already. It's crying.
Okay, this is too oh girl. Oh, the gari has poured.
I told you.
Oh, this is yellow gari.
That one's for Eva.
Yes. So yeah, Wale, show them. 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 Guys, the way food make me happy, eh? See? So nice. Thank you. I'll transfer all these things now into a proper container very soon. Just want to show you guys. Sorry about the mess. Can you see? This is white gari and that is yellow gari. Thank you so much, babe. Thank you. This is going to last us for a while. Thank you so much. I guess that is everything. And then we have noodles. I think I've showed you guys this one earlier. This is Indomie and this is stockfish. Stockfish in everything here. Everything here is stockfish. Yes, this one. I almost forgot to show you. This is black soap. Yes. Black soap.
Black soap.
Yeah, black soap.
It's for bathing.
Yes, and that's it, guys. That's pretty much everything for this. I'm not sure what that is yet. I'll ask her. This is ogbono. This is smoked fish.
I love smoke.
This is the spices, thyme, ginger, onion, garlic, chicken.
Chicken rolls.
Yeah, this is for fried rice, for jollof rice, thyme, curry masala, and then seasoning cubes. That's all. That's everything. Thank you so much, guys. I just thought to show you guys our food, even though some of them were returned, like the mama was returned, palm oil was returned. I don't know how I thought I could have scaled through with that palm oil. I don't know the jars I thought I could use on the immigration people, I be the customs people, but it was returned. And what else? The ogbono was almost returned, but it got blended at the last point. Yeah, so that one scaled through. This is it. It scaled through. What else didn't make it? Yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like to see more of these, like lifestyle and everything happening, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, you're not doing the right thing. Please subscribe to this channel. Let's all grow together, okay? Please, and also click on the notification bell just so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. All right, click on the share button as well. Share with your friends, with your family. And please, one more thing, please don't skip ads. Please, those few seconds ads, try and watch them till the last minute. Please don't skip. Do you see that skip button? Don't press it, please. Okay, once again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel for more content like this. And till I see you guys again in my next video, please take care of yourselves and God bless you.